Programming environment. In order to correctly perform any task, we need to have proper tools. For example, for gardening, we need gardening tools. And for painting, we need a collection of brush, paints, and canvas. Similarly, we need proper tools for programming. A collection of all the necessary tools of programming makes up a programming environment. It is essential to set up a programming environment before we start program. It's work as a basic platform for us to write and execute program. Integrated development environment, a software that provides a software environment to facilitate programming in writing and executing programs is known as integrated development programming. An IDE has a graphical user interface, meaning that a user can interact with the using windows and buttons to provide input and get output. An IDE consists of tools that help the grammar outwork the phases of writing and testing the program. This is achieved by combining text editor, compiler, and debuggers in single interface. Some of many IDEs for C programming language are Visual Studio, Xcode, CodeBlocks, Dev C++. Text editor. A text editor is a software that allows us to program or write or edit programs. All IDE have as their own specific text editor. It is main screen of the IDE where we can write our program. Compiler. Computers only understand a work in machine language consists of O and 0, and they are required for conversion of the program written in program language to machine language in order to execute it. This is achieved using a compiler. A compiler is a software that is responsible for the conversion of the program written in some high language to a machine language. Program basis. Each program language has some predictive blocks and blocks sum of rules in order to execute program. This set of rules is known as syntax of the language. Syntax can be thought as a grammar of the language while programming. If syntax has a rule of programming language are not followed, thus the program does not be complied. In this case, the compiler generates an error. This kind of error is called syntax error. Reserved words. Each programming language has a list of words that are predefined. Each word it has a specific meaning already known to the compiler. These words are known as reserved words and keywords. If a programming gives them a definition of its own, it's cause a syntax error. Structure of the C language. We can understand the structure of the C language by observing the programs written. We can see that the programs can be divided into three main parts: link section and header section. While writing a program in C language, we make extensive use of functions that are predefined in C language. But before using the function, we need to include the files where this function has been defined. These files are known as header files. We include these header files to our program by writing the include statement at the top of programs. General structure of these include state is followed as hash include file name. Here file name can be name of any file. In the above example, we have include file studio that contains information related to output and input functions.